I know that my cups were overflowing, and I don't mean my breasts. And because I let you swim freely, that's what I wanted for you. Because at the same time, I was finally free and nobody to share it with. And then one day I saw my silver lining, and you said to me, nobody's ever put it that way. Or something like that. So, take all of your woes and worries and sorries, your regrets. The water is continually filling that pool, and it's going to overflow. So you need to get out of your regret and worries and things that plague your soul. I am also a healer. And I think that you started drowning and just didn't see that sun of yours. My gosh, was that moon at night an illusion when that mermaid showed up? How cute. We all falter for a reason, because we have big lessons to learn. I can see you lacing up those boots. And I also hear you right now. You feel the music of my brain. You feel it. Can you feel it? Was that 11 seconds? I don't know. I know who you are. And I think you lost and forgot who you were. And so swimming in that regret is yesterday. Bring back tomorrow by living today. Okay? I just want always the best for you. I would give my life for someone who wouldn't give it for me. But I'm actually quite standing up for myself this time. Not this time. For someone, for something, and a purpose I believe in. Just so glad that you've been a part of it, and you are forgiven. Always. We'll meet again. I promise. Just be kind to yourself, as you have been to me. And if it needs improvement, I like to see it. Show me. My gosh, I have so much to learn, don't I? That's all I have to say.